If your Lexus head unit still stuck in the rusty and city era, it's time to give it a smart upgrade. Today, Nuno will get you step by step instead of Angel large screen head units and turn your car into a cockpit in seconds.
Remove the passenger side panel. Use a plastic pry bar to carefully pry it open to remove the fixing screw. Find the hidden 10 bolts and remove them one by one. Remove the shifter lever guard, fixed by clips only. Pull upwards lightly. Remove the edge of the center armrest and unplug the connection plug. Disconnect all wiring harnesses and lock the location of the plugs for easy reinstallation. The wiring harness of the new console is divided into power audio and signal lines. The interfaces are all foolproof designs. Just align and plug them in tightly. Turn on the power to test whether the navigation, music, and Bluetooth are normal. If there are any problems, check them in time. To avoid signal interference, GPS and 4G antennas should be placed into areas with strong signals as much as possible. Wireless CarPlay requires the phone's Bluetooth or Wi-Fi to be turned on at the same time. It will automatically connect after the first pairing. It's clever for us to tighten the buckle to avoid brute force that may cause it to break. It's done. Now your Lexus have a smart navigation, online music, and even short videos.
Technology make driving more convenient and hands-on make fun double. Next time we will modify the BBS Car Angel host. So if you have any ideas and questions, please let us know in the comment section.